Hello, everyone. Do you want to speak English confidently and fluently? Don't worry, you are in the right place. In this class, I will show you simple tips and daily practice methods that will make your English natural, smooth, and full of confidence. Let's begin our journey to confident English.
He is sitting on the fence. He is sitting on the fence. It cost me an arm and a leg. It cost me an arm and a leg.
Like 2 peas in a pod. Like 2 peas in a pod.
Hit the books. Hit the books.
I am leaving no stone unturned. I am leaving no stone unturned.
I am taking it with a pinch of salt. I am taking it with a pinch of salt.
He turned a deaf ear. He turned a deaf ear. She is pulling your legs. She is pulling your legs.
Once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon.
Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile.
Keep your fingers crossed. Keep your fingers crossed.
Throw in the towel. Throw in the towel.
Hit the jackpot. Hit the jackpot.